guys. So this video basically is called converted sorted array to binary search tree. So key point is that somebody give you a sorted array and you want to construct into the binary search tree. Also should be a high balance. Okay, so binary search tree means for each node, all the node of the right tree will have value larger than this node, and the left tree should be smaller. Okay, so we can define a helper function. Basically, we use a recursive result. First, we take a min value. Okay, the min because what we need to is a high balance. So the first node must be the mid value. Okay, so if the list is empty, then it's very easy. We just return none. Then we find a middle. Okay, because we want high balance, so we found middle and we create a root. Okay, once we create a root, then root left just recursive, just this so-called helper function. This helper function, the helper function acts on the left part, and the root right is just helper function act on the right part. And finally we can just return roots. Okay, and this is sorted array to BSD to the tree node. We call a helper function. Call this helper function. Okay, so I guess the logic is very straightforward, and that's it. Okay, now we'll see you guys in other interesting videos. Thanks.